Hey everyone, it's Chris and welcome back to The Ridge. Today, we're going to give you our first impressions of the Smoky Lake 6-filter stainless steel filter press. Join us!
Sweet Maple Ridge Farms. Come on down, everybody. Go!
Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching, subscribing, and liking and all that stuff. So, we got the Smoky Lake stainless steel 6-filter press. It's new to Sweet Maple Ridge this year, and we had about 3.5 gallons of syrup that we needed to filter, and so we got it fired up and used it for the first time. Now, this is the one that you hook up to an air compressor. It's not the one that you hand pump. So I think the video just sort of speaks for itself, so just please sit back and watch. All right, so literally the Smoky Lake filter press is still finishing up. Here we go. I want to just go with initial observations, initial thoughts. Miss Sweet Maple Ridge, I'll let you start.
I think after using...
Literally still holding this sticky tube.
I think after using a vacuum filter...
Using this thing, honestly, I want to take that thing down and throw it in the yard. I might drop kick it into the yard.
I think that this was worth every penny just for the sheer convenience.
Yep. And by the way, it's continuing to get rid of the syrup that's in the plates. So it's in essence, it's still pumping. Y'all wanna join me? Y'all wanna join me for this? Let me have this thing. We're taking this thing. Bye. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We really appreciate it. So it is 2 thumbs up on the filter press. It is expensive, something like $2,400. But, you know, Smoky Lake Maple again came through, and we love it, and we highly suggest that you take your filter press, throw it out the front door like we did, and get yourself one of these things. So anyway, that's it. That's the video. If you want to be an OG Mapler and you want to continue learning how to rely less and create more from high atop the Allegheny Plateau, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time out on the Ridge.